Good evening everyone and welcome to the Q&A session 5 from the chapter of atoms. The topic is the calculation of de Broglie wavelength of a revolving electron, and the question for this session is written here on this board. The question is, for the Bohr's first orbit of circumference 2 pi r, the de Broglie wavelength of a revolving electron will be. So in the previous session, that is in the session number 4, we have studied that the angular momentum of a revolving electron, that is the electron which is revolving around the nucleus of an atom, is given by mvn rn. This is equal to nh upon 2 pi, where n is an integer, it's a positive integer, h is the Planck's constant, rn is the radius of the nth orbit, vn is the velocity of the electron in the nth orbit, and m is the mass of it. Now for the Bohr's first orbit, n is equal to 1. So if n is equal to 1, this equation will be equal to mvr, this is equal to h upon 2 pi. Now in the chapter of dual nature of radiation and matter, we have also learned that the de Broglie wavelength of a charged particle, that is lambda, this is equal to h upon m into v, where m is the mass of that charged particle and v is the velocity of it. So here, this is, let's say, the equation number 1, this is the equation number 2. Now equation number 1 can further be written as 2 pi r is equal to h upon mv. And from equation number 2, this h upon mv is equal to the de Broglie wavelength of this revolving electron. So the de Broglie wavelength of this revolving electron is equal to 2 pi r. So in the next session, I will be coming up with a different type of a question, but it will be based on the topic of Bohr's model of atom. So till then, have a nice day. Bye.